a weak terrain attracts parasites.
Mm.
Parasites only take up residence in tissues that are weaker than they should be. You can see that on the field. If you have an area that's undernourished, that's the area that the pests will attack.
Mm.
In a human body, similar thing. Wherever
Yeah.
you're the weakest, that's where this thing will happen. So, of course, typically our digestive systems or digestion elimination is impacted, and therefore that's where the parasites will be most likely to take up residence, because we're weaker and unable to defend.
Yeah, yeah. Just in case someone, I think everyone knows what fungus is, but someone might be listening to this thinking, what do they mean when they say parasites? What would be your definition of a parasite?
Well, parasite would be anything that's living inside of you that's stealing your resources in that sense, right? Living off of you.
Yeah.
So in this sense, the government is the parasite, or your children are a parasite that you willingly take on. They're living off of you. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, in a physical sense, in the body, so we have a complex terrain. Some of it is beneficial, some of it is symbiotic, but parasite is not symbiotic. Parasite gives me no advantage; it only takes. Now you can have a parasite living in your gut or in your eye or wherever, right? Like they take up residence wherever they want. Now you asked about the definition of fungus. So fungus is a class of beings of their own. They typically are decomposers.